Welcome, 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 and thank you for spending some of your time with us. My name is Tina Rosenquist, and this is Knowledge for Wellness. And this show is to better inform you, because the more information you have, the better decisions you can make. And knowledge is power. And today's topic is on accelerated recovery performance. And bringing us this great information was Jay Schroeder. He is the developer of UltraFit and Evo Sport. Welcome, Jay.
Thank you, Tina.
I'm so delighted that you could join Knowledge for Wellness.
Yeah, I'm happy that you had me here.
Yes, and you also are a part of the ARP wave.
Yes, I am.
Yes, and you're here to educate my viewers with exactly the device in itself. And you are actually the personal trainer. You're working with a lot of athletes with ARP, aren't you?
Yeah, I work with everybody who uses the ARP for the therapeutic maneuvers and protocols that Dennis teaches.
Okay. And I'm not sure that my viewers know that much about you, so I'd really appreciate if you could back up and boast about yourself just a little bit.
Okay, I don't know if it's boasting, but I have a lot of experience.
Okay, that's good.
I started working for a hospital, a network, groups of hospitals from diabetes and exercise. I was one of the first people to use and create programs for the use of the pump with diabetics.
Oh, okay.
Psych patients, cardiac patients, long-term bed care patients. It even got me into working with some of the professional baseball teams and corporations in the wellness program.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow.
So,
yeah, so they were lucky to have you, and then from there...
I don't know if they were lucky,
okay.
but they had me there.
Okay, yeah, it was great because then they all got to become better physically from either an injury or something that they worked with you?
Yeah, all kinds of things from grossly obese individuals who had to be 365 pounds plus to bodybuilding and athletic performance.
Okay.
So I'm the one who was lucky. I got to learn a whole lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good to know. And how did you come about working with the ARP wave?
Well, I've been working with electrical modalities for 35 years.
Okay.
And one day I got a phone call from a crazy individual whose name was Dennis Thompson. Saw me on ESPN.
Oh, amazing. Okay.
And wanted to know if he could come visit my gym in Arizona. So he did.
Okay.
And he stood there and never said a word for well over an hour and a half and then said goodbye.
Oh.
And then contacted me again. We went through that same scenario again. And then we finally had a phone conversation that lasted almost 8.5 hours.
Wow.
And we decided together we should get our knowledge up to par to help people do what we can accomplish.
Yeah, and you've done with many, your stats are very high with many athletes, along with, I guess, variable people from being non-athletic as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I train everybody from 4-year-olds to Olympic medalists and everything in between.
Okay, well that's great. And now, since after this, you go through a process with Dennis Thompson, and then after that process is complete, then the next step is with you. And we were lucky enough to capture some Skype.
Yes.
So that's great. So we did phase 3 now with the Skype, with working with you on the personal training.
Yeah, and then there's a phase 4.
Okay.
That's where I get mean.
Oh.
Yeah.
You? Mean?
Oh, of course.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we want to see the better side of you right now.
Okay.
So we have some footage on the Skype. So we'll go ahead and...
Very good.
Okay. Clip to that as well.